how to find Marubozu candlestick pattern. This is how they look like, a complete or full Marubozu. The complete Marubozu would not have any spikes or wicks, not on the upper, not on the lower part of the candle. Open and close would represent the high and the low of the candle pattern. Once this candle pattern appears, there is a very high probability that a trend will reverse or a new trend will begin. Here is an example: Australian yen daily chart at the end of a downtrend, beautiful Marubozu, bounces off the bottom, and the next following candles rebuild the uptrend. Here is Aussie Kiwi at the end of the 1 hour chart uptrend. We see a fantastic Marubozu which also reminds here an engulfing in that case, but no wicks on the upper or the lower part of the candle. Classical complete Marubozu, which changes the trend dramatically to the downside. Join our trading club, the Home Trader Club. Enjoy full access to our trading courses, real-time trading education and real-time trading opportunities. Link in the bio.